feeling you'd come back and save me. A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Okay, I finally got a little space. We're doing a little comparison between Grand Design and now the new Alliance Valor series that they just came out with for toy haulers this last year. So, as you all know, we own a Momentum 395 MS. We just got it in. We've had 3-4 months. We believe we made a great choice for us, and honestly, we never even heard of Valor or Alliance or any of this because in Kansas City we didn't get that option. But my promise to you was always to give you things that I saw that was different and might be another alternative to what you look for. I'm just going to hit the high points and then maybe show you some B footage and then splice in some things of Sheila and I walking through things we've noticed between the Grand Design Momentum and the wonderful Alliance Valor. So number one is everyone asked, the reason we went with what we went with is the warranty. Grand Design has one of the best warranties. If you're going to go full time, travel around, it's fabulous. And they have the same warranty here. They will warranty full-timers being in here. Family-owned company. They've only been doing toy haulers for about a year, though. Less than a year. You snuck up on me.
Sorry.
So I'm just going over the generalities. Grand Design actually has like a, what do they have? They have like a, I don't know, like a family atmosphere. Owners are like, it's like, I don't know, it's like a club. It's like a Jeep thing.
The Grand Design?
Like, yeah, as owners.
And Alliance is also a family business.
Right. But I mean, I'm saying owners in the Grand Design world are very close. So we might absolutely upset some people here with this comparison because we actually own a Grand Design.
Yeah, we're just sharing our thoughts and our opinions. I mean, I like our Grand Design. I love the layout of it. It's a good quality product. It's a great company. These are new kids on the block that I would be paying attention to.
Yeah.
I would look at them, and when you're looking at which ones you're gonna go with,
The floor plans are similar, but let's go through some of the pluses and minuses. Let's say number one of the things that you were concerned with would be like soft close drawers, shutoff valves.
The shutoff valves, I think you don't realize how important that is until you have a leak in an RV. So there's a shutoff valve in every plumbing feature inside an Alliance.
So just like a house.
Yeah, at every toilet, every plumbing area. So that's these.
The drawers are deeper.
The drawers are deeper.
Plates.
Soft close hinges. Okay, you don't think that these little things are, but that's a big deal. Like it'll still keep going closed, and you don't have to slam it. You slammed the door just even yesterday, right? Like we don't mean to.
What? Are you telling? You're telling secrets. And we haven't had that, but we've been needing to have some things that we were going to change.
Yeah.
And we noticed that there's just no room, especially if there's no room behind the toilets.
Well, and for the price, you get the batteries.
Okay, so
Let's talk about that.
So the batteries, basically you have 2 solar panels on these that come standard. So you have 600 watts, and then they comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries versus what we currently have. We have it came with 1 solar panel and 2 standard like deep cycle marine type batteries. So we were looking to do an upgrade on that, and that would be almost a $2,000 upgrade. Well, it's standard on the Alliance. We're going to talk about, basically I know it sounds really weird, but there's an air compressor that comes standard underneath.
Yep.
And you're going to need it for like airing up bike tires, motorcycle tires, anything that you're hauling as far as your toy goes.
On a toy hauler, it just makes sense.
And it does make sense.
Yeah.
You have the standard stuff like the 2 tanks for your gasoline, that kind of stuff. But when we talk about tanks and boondocking, we're going to boondock, right?
Yeah, this next week.
Now, we learned, because we didn't know this, that we're not supposed to travel with our tanks full. We're only supposed to travel with our tanks 60% full on our Grand Design for water and things. So in these, they actually did steel reinforcement around there. She's really enthused about this. You didn't know I was a technical person. I'm a technical person, but they did steel reinforcement around all of their tanks, so therefore you can travel with full tanks.
There's also something. Okay, so there's not a central vac.
Oh,
Okay.
we didn't really care about that anyway.
Right, because you think, oh yeah, central vac's going to be great. The lugging out the hoses to
sucks.
plug that in and be able
We
to
didn't
move
like
that
that.
around, did not like that.
We
So
we got a Dyson and hung it on the wall.
yeah, so the fact that in that space underneath there, you just pop your shoes, you don't think that that's a big deal until you're living in 354 square feet.
Yeah,
and
and
then your shoes they're just
the
in the
way.
way. Everything's in the way unless you have a spot for it. So that's just
She loves the dimmer switches.
Well, it's-
What is? Oh, dimmers.
there's dimmer controls on these. That's not even something that you can add on to ours. That's not an option.
On the
I
lighting.
love that you can have a junk drawer.
Yeah, this is our inside voices. Wait a minute. Did I just hear the same thing? Junk drawer? We have to have a junk drawer.
Gotta have it.
This is a man thing. This is junk drawer.
Gotta have it.
And they put a junk drawer in there. That's a
So if you get a junk drawer, I get a bigger pantry. That's a bigger pantry. It's a good.
Oh, it's the first challenge that we've seen.
But-
Downside is the washer and dryer.
I just asked, and that is an option that you can have that moved to the garage.
All right then. Just checking boxes.
Yes, you have more room. I feel like there's more room in
Plus the
here.
king size bed too.
There's just more room to walk around in here.
And then here's another weird thing. The patios, we learned this on our Grand Design, that they're not necessarily sealed. And so we've learned that some owners of Grand Design, they actually have to seal that back patio from rain.
Which is something that's on our to-do list.
That's on our to-do list. We're going to be doing a video on that. This, they have a warranty against that because it's already included. There's a lot of nuances. It's worth looking at the Valor Alliance, especially if you're in this
And
kind of market.
price
Now, we're not
is-
dogging any of the
No,
other
no.
toy haulers out there.
Nope.
We just chose the one that we felt was best for us, and this is in comparison to that. We won't go over tires and the suspension systems. They come standard just like they do on the other ones, so they're all upgraded automatically. Just some really good quality things that you might want to just consider.
Just little details.
Three-season door.
Look, smart wire. They color coded and numbered the wires inside here.
They're all eye height.
And they're color coded so you know what you're looking for. Again, you love this whole flooring system.
As you're looking through.
Yeah,
Anything else?
I just think they need to do their homework, do your research, find out what's best for you. We love our Grand Design. We absolutely do.
Yeah.
However,
We're keeping it real, relevant.
We're always going to keep it real. However, if you're in the market, I would definitely look at Alliance before I made a decision.
Yeah, and we're not a paid endorsement.
No.
We don't have it
That's
because
free.
we don't have that many subscribers. Our Switch crew is not very big.
We need a bigger crew.
That's just our little plug. Just thought you'd like to see the comparison between the two. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun. Check them out. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That'll help us grow. And we just appreciate you all joining our journey. So have a blessed day.